What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and today we're going to be unboxing the newest mod for my Ford Ranger. So the new mod I have for my Ford Ranger is the STEDI ST3K 41.5 inch 40 LED slim LED light bar. So I've chosen this light bar to get me a better vision during the night when I'm going off-roading out in the bush. The STEDI ST3K LED light is designed to bring a large amount of light to a small amount of space. With a total height of just 63mm, you will find the ST3K able to be mounted on your front bar or your grille whilst maintaining the factory look of your vehicle. But I have the 40.5 inch, so I'll be installing this one onto my roof rack. I've chosen the slim light bar so that it looks nice and sleek on the roof and it doesn't stick out too much like the double row. Plus it's cheaper than the double row. The ST3K range is easily comparable with the Type X and the ST4K range. It's got strong penetrating beam of 493 meters at 1 lux and 55 meters put to the shoulders of the road. The ST3K 41.5 is a perfect all-arounder. So inside the box you get the LED light bar, you get stainless fasteners, you also get stainless steel side mounting brackets, you've got the 12 volt quick fit to high beam wiring, got the relay, wiring kit, and the on and off switch. You've also got a H4 and HB3 adapters included and wiring instructions. So inside the instructions it's got all the details on how to wire it up as well as how to fit it. On the next video I'll be showing you on how to install the light bar on my Ford Ranger, so make sure to watch that one. They also included some cable ties, which is pretty large and it's helpful when you're doing the wiring. STEDI uses the 40 of Ostrom's finest Oslan LED, selected for unrivaled efficiency. It's got 8 flood plus 24 spot plus 8 flood reflector distribution, which forms a remarkable beam that pushes the wide beam out of 50 degrees and spot beam at 5.8 degrees. All the way to a staggering 1 lux at 699 meters. So this is great for when you're going off-road and you want to have great vision at night, but just all around. It has a nice wide light and also it can get further out. But if you want to get something with a high beam like a spotty to get over 1 kilometers. So spotlights are better for highway driving because it can go further, and LED light bars are better for off-roading so you can see wider and a little bit further down. STEDI has great quality lights and they've made the design so that it doesn't make too much noise when driving. So this light bar is rated IP68. And it's also got the true white 5700K color temperature, which offers stunning clarity and definition. STEDI has a pure drive circuit design, allows 97% of input power to go directly to the LEDs. It's built to withstand the relentless punishment of the deep Australian outback. It's finished in 100% polyester UV and abrasion resistant powder coat, ensures that the bars will never discolor. It's also got pressure equalization vent, which protects against water ingress, dust and contaminants. And it also uses environmentally sealed Dutch connectors. It draws current of 8.6 amps. It has a lifespan of 50,000 hours and weighs only 3.475 kilograms. What I like about STEDI is that they can get a STEDI cover which is in black and now the new amber color. comment below if you would get a light bar or a spotlight, or would you get both. Please like and subscribe to 4x4 Jump.